Hello, I'm Bill Peterson, Minnesota Probate Attorney. I'd like to share with you some secrets in probate. These ideas can help your family go through a very difficult time in the best way possible. Let's look at this probate secret. Safeguard the estate assets promptly after death. Sadly, the death of a person seems to attract predators. Do you remember the dream in Dickens Christmas Carol when Ebenezer has died and his maid is stealing his bed linens? Unfortunately, things like that can occur in real life. Some burglars read the obituaries and break into the decedent's home during the funeral service. Sometimes neighbors or relatives help themselves to household items shortly after the death or even when the person is in his or her final illness. And sometimes a family member who has a power of attorney will deplete the decedent's bank account shortly before or even after the death. In our experience, the loved one's family is most vulnerable to these thefts in the 10 days after the death, while everyone is still in shock and denial. This is why it's so important for the family to take preventative action to secure the decedent's estate. Arrangements should be made for a home watcher at least during the funeral. Banks and creditors should be notified of the death. Often it's a good idea to change the locks at the home, since many people may have had access to the home while the decedent still lived there. An inventory should be taken soon after the death to avoid the disappearance of items. If not in writing, even a videotape of the interior of the house can document what things were there at the time of death. Occasionally, some family members may consider these precautionary measures to be insensitive. However, later, when the missing items or other assets cannot be accounted for, the family will wish that it had taken the preventative steps at the time of death of the loved one. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to put this idea to work for you and your family, please give me a call, toll-free, at 1-888-910-5297 for your free consultation.